Hello everyone, Chef Marisa Gatanzaro here today. We're going to be making Arugula Tipo Marisa, which is arugula salad my style. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. I have arugula, radicchio, cherry tomatoes, endive, red onion, gaeta olive, capers, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, black pepper, salt, and fresh mozzarella. I'm going to assemble the salad. I have my arugula here. I'm going to put the radicchio in it, my endives, red onions, tomatoes, mozzarella, olives, the capers, season it with the olive oil, the vinegar, fresh black peppers, salt. I'm going to gently toss it. This is a very delicate salad, but it's so yummy. Here's our final product, arugula salad. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit!